Hi, Tipaholic, Gold Star Mortgage back with tip number 7 of my 8-step consumer guide to home mortgages. Tip number 7 is understanding collateral. What is the collateral? Simply the home itself, and what's the appraised value of the home, quite simply. So understanding that process when it does come time is key because sometimes the value might not be there, and that's evidenced by the appraisal. So um, what can happen is, let's just say you agree to purchase a home for $300,000, and you pay for an appraisal. The appraisal comes back and it comes in at $290,000. Well, there's a discrepancy there, so the lender can certainly go back and challenge that and go back to the appraiser, and there's a process. But most of the time, the value is what it is, and that gets people upset sometimes. Certainly, the seller of the property is upset because they're being told that their property is worth less than what they agreed to sell it for. And you, as the buyer, can be upset because it does change your deal. Because no matter what happens, um, you're protected because obviously you're not going to pay more for a house than what it's worth, right? So if you even agreed to pay for 300,000, bank's telling you it's only worth 290. Well, it's only worth 290. That's just what it is. So it's a better deal for you, but it also allows the seller to get out of the contract with you. So they could say to you, well, we're not going to budge off the price. It's still $300,000. You have to pay an extra $10,000, and you can either agree to those terms or you can walk away. The contract's void, right? You got to go find another house. Or the seller can lower their price to 290,000, and again, like I said you get a better deal because you're not going to be overpaying for the house. So something to be aware of that can happen. What's also key to understand is the appraiser is independent from um, the lender itself. So the way that the process is set up is it goes through an independent company. You contract someone to do an appraisal on the home. It's randomly assigned to somebody, and they come back with an independent value. So the appraiser doesn't work for the bank directly. They don't work for the broker, loan officer. They don't work for the real estate agent. It's a totally independent process, so it's an independent opinion, and it's meant to protect you as the seller of the property. So understanding that if it does come in less, then that's unfortunate. You might not get the house, but also you're not going to overpay for the house. So it is set there to protect you. So hope you find this information useful. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel below. As always, leave your comments, questions. I'll get back to you. And take care. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.